Are you looking for the best dash cam with Wi-Fi? In this video we will break down top 5 best dash cam with Wi-Fi on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, Mini-i, model number, C2L. The Mini-i C2L Dash Cam offers a cutting-edge solution for drivers seeking enhanced safety and clarity on the road. With 4K front and 1080 pixels rear recording, advanced driver assistance alerts and seamless app integration, this dash cam is designed to provide peace of mind and capture every moment. 170 degrees wide angle captures all-around details without blind spot. The front car camera equipped with an f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lens captures important details clearly under low light conditions. The professional WDR technology automatically adjusts the camera exposure and ensures the clarity of images even at night. Equipped with built-in GPS, smart ADAS dash cam monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Number 4. Brand name, Red Tiger, model number, A4. This Red Tiger A4 is a super slim and compact dash cam with very high performance. It records in razor-sharp 4K plus full HD resolution and features a convenient touchscreen LCD display. Voice control makes operation very easy, and the built-in Wi-Fi allows you to view images on your phone. GPS records locations and speed, and with the included 64GB SD card, you can start recording immediately. Capture the details of your driving journey with the dashboard camera. The front camera records in 4K resolution through a 160 degrees wide-angle lens, and the rear camera records in 1080 pixels through a 140 degrees wide-angle lens. Red Tiger A4 equipped with Super Night View, it ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions, providing reliable recording day and night. Number 3. Brand name, 70mi, model number, A800SE. The 70mi Dash Cam A800SE is a cutting-edge device designed to capture every detail on the road. With its 4K UHD resolution and hardware-level HDR, it ensures that footage is balanced and clear, even in extreme lighting conditions. The dash cam's f1.55 large aperture and 6-layer lens structure work together to reduce image distortion and improve contrast, resulting in sharper, cleaner imaging. The Super Night Vision feature, developed in-house, reduces noise and balances exposure to deliver clear night footage with enhanced color accuracy consistently. Equipped with dual-band 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, this front and rear dash cam provides up to 5 times faster data transfer speeds compared to traditional Wi-Fi. The free 70mi app allows you to easily adjust settings, preview footage, edit and share videos online. Equipped with a built-in G sensor, the 4K dash cam detects collisions or abrupt events. It secures the relevant footage, ensuring that critical recordings are not overwritten or erased. The dash cam's ability to record time-lapse footage during parking with the dual-channel recording feature ensures that you have a comprehensive view of your vehicle's surroundings. Number 2. Brand name, Kawa, model number, Mini 3 Pro. Kawa Mini 3 Pro features advanced WDR and 3D DNR technologies, delivering high-quality color images even in low-light conditions, ensuring clear visibility of the road when driving at night. The Mini 3 Pro car camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect anytime, anywhere, and easily share your memorable moments. The 145 degrees wide-angle lens covers lanes, while 3D digital noise reduction and wide dynamic range eliminate blurry plates or glare. Perfect for documenting reckless drivers on highways or sudden lane changes at dusk. With a micro SD card of up to 256 GB, coupled with loop recording, the oldest videos are automatically overwritten, allowing for endless use. G-sensor and emergency recording will automatically identify accidents and protect crucial video segments, ensuring important moments are not lost. Number 1. Brand name, Asdome, model number, M550 Pro. The M550 Pro ASDOM 3-channel dash camera offers a cabin camera, dash camera, and a rear-facing camera. The ASDOM M550 Pro Dash Camera delivers crystal clear 4K footage from the front and upgraded 2.5K footage from the rear. The camera is easy to use with a straightforward user interface. ASDOM GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude and longitude of the recorded video. M550 Pro Dash Camera provides evidence during emergencies. This ASDOM M550 Pro 3CH4K is a very comprehensive and professional dashcam with 3 cameras. The front and rear camera keep an eye on the road and the interior camera films driver and occupants. The ASDOM M550 Pro is therefore ideally suited for cabs or driving schools. The ASDOM M550 Pro also records in the sharpest 4K resolution and it is equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS.